testing the mic. How can I be lost? How can I be lost? If you feel awkward, if you feel lost, if you feel some kind of way, if you feel uncomfortable every time you turn your camera on, then this video is absolutely for you. One of the biggest struggle for content creators, for beginner content creators, for people that want to start creating content on their phone is not the struggle is not just editing or lighting or setup. The biggest struggle is feeling comfortable on camera. And the thing is, what you should know is that it's not gonna be comfortable in the very beginning. You will not feel comfortable. That's the truth. In the very beginning, you will not feel comfortable. But guess what? The more you turn on your camera, the more your camera becomes your bestie. The more you hack the system of talking to the camera, you would just normalize it. In the beginning, it will feel awkward, but along the line, you will get comfortable. Feeling awkward on camera is normal. Ask every big creator, even if it's not most of them, but majority of humans feel awkward on camera in the beginning. But it doesn't come before you start. It can never come before it starts. It comes when you start. When you actually press record, that's when you get confidence. That's when you build that skill of being confident by pressing record. Tell yourself that if I really want to face the camera, if I'm afraid to touch the camera for some reason, a lot of people have different reasons. Fear of the unknown, fear of judgments, fear of all kinds. And I just want to tell you something. I read somewhere, I've forgotten where I read it, but there's a quote. It says in the book I read, it says, fear is like your comfort zone is the enemy of your destiny. Your mind is like a soil. Whatever you plant grows. If you plant fear in your mind, it will grow. If you plant limitation in your mind, it will absolutely grow. If you plant limiting beliefs, it will grow. Whatever you plant on your mind, in your heart, is what grows. Start planting great things. Start planting success. Start plant truth. Freedom grows. That's why you should guide your heart with all diligence. Even the Bible says we should guide our heart with all diligence. Be careful what you listen to, the people you listen to, the people you surround yourself with. You don't want to stay with anybody that you know that is toxic or negative. You want to surround yourself with people that will lift you up, people that will encourage you, people that have good words to say to uplift you. Not everyone deserves access to your heart. So guide your heart with diligence. Be watchful. Back to confidence. Confidence is like a skill that you learn. Nobody feels confident from the very beginning. You get confidence when you keep doing something, when you start doing something. The first day you drive a car, for example, you're scared. You're scared to crash. You're scared of the unknown. But along the line, you get better. So in other words, you get better by actually doing. Not just saying, oh, I'm scared. No, try it first. Talk to the camera first and see how it's like. Try. Keep filming, keep documenting, keep create. You don't have to post it. You can do like a challenge and say, you know what, for the next 7 days, I'm going to record myself without posting. I'll record and talk to the camera. Try to get confident. Trust me, if you do it for like 7 days, talking to your phone, documenting what you're doing in the morning, or just saying something to the camera, before you know it will be natural. You see that you're liking the result. Day 1 will be different from day 7. You can try that. That's the first step, I would say. You learn by recording yourself. You learn by turning on your camera and recording yourself. In this video, I'll be giving you 3 simple tips. One of the tips is that imagine you're talking to one person. Instead of imagining that the whole world is watching you. Oh, millions of people are watching. You get scared if you think like that. Just imagine that you're talking to one person, maybe one close friend, or your mom, or your dad, or your daughter, or your son. Just talk to, or your bestie. Just imagine that you're talking to one person. That way you'll be free. Just imagine you're having a conversation with people you love, that loves you. There's this, feeling. You'll be bold. You'll be yourself. Just imagine you're talking to one person. That's the first tip I would. That way you'll not feel anxiety. You'll not feel awkward. You will not overthink it. You will just be yourself and be free. 2, don't aim for perfection. Instead of aiming for perfection, tell yourself that the more you film, the more you get better. The more you do it, the more you get better. And there's room to grow. There's room to grow everywhere. Even in filming your content and even talking to the camera, you will get better. The more you do it, the more you practice facing to the camera, the better you will become. Perfect delivery sometimes can sometimes create pressure. It will make you pressure yourself because you are aiming for perfect. To be natural, try to be natural and be yourself. Be yourself. If you make the content, if you create the content, if you film the video, if you don't like it, you can redo it. Being natural on camera can create connection within the person watching and you. Just be natural. It can create this kind of connection with you and the viewer. Practice talking to the camera without filming. That's what I did before I started YouTube. Before I started on my YouTube channel, my other channel, I was practicing on the camera. I think I did it for 2 days, to be truthful. And then I said, you know what, because I've been procrastinating for a long time, I said, you know what, the camera will not bite. It does not bite. It's just me and the camera. If I don't like it, I'll delete it and redo it. Well, I just did it and I said, you know what, it's not perfect, but it's natural and I'm posting. And that's what I did. Record short, put it in your mind that you're going to record short video. I want you to do this for me. If you're watching this, record like short videos, even if it's a 1 minute video, once a day or 2 times a day or a week, or do it at your own pace. But the point is record short videos and then review it and record again. And trust me, if you do it like that, you would get sort of comfortable on camera. The camera would eventually be your bestie. The camera is just a tool that we use, so it will eventually be your bestie. You use it, the more comfortable you will be. That's it. Listen, if you're waiting to feel confident, to feel comfortable before you post, my dears, you will wait for a very long time. Starting your YouTube channel, you're just starting and you want to get comfortable on camera, subscribe to Juanita's Create, subscribe, let's grow together, and maybe I'll be your inspiration. The more you see me holding my camera, and you can get one or two inspiration from there. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See, as a matter of fact, I came to my car to make this video because the weather is cloudy and inside my house was dark. I said, you know what? It's just 4 p.m. and it's looking like it's already night. It's just 4 p.m. I said, you know what? I planned to make this video and I said I would make the videos. I came to my car to make this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more content from when it's the world needs you. Start creating that content. Don't let fear of the unknown stop you. Don't let fear of whatever stop you. Start faming. You are unique. You are wonderfully made by God. Everybody's unique. You will find your tribe and just be yourself and start creating. I'm rooting for you. I'm looking out for you. And if you know you're going to be starting content creation in 2026, comment below and let. Confidence means trust. You have to trust yourself. You have to trust your voice. You have to get used to your voice. Don't feel awkward listening to your voice. Just love yourself. God did not make mistake making you. God created you in his image. He made you beautiful. He made you wonderful. So trust yourself, trust your voice and start creating. Don't let, I don't want you to have the limitation. No limitation. You have all it takes to face the camera. It's just you and the camera. The camera cannot bite you. Start creating. Also trust in God, the one that made you, the one that created you. It did not create rubbish. It did not create nonsense. He created you in his own image. Trust him and start creating unique. So you're unique and start creating your content. Please don't let fear and limitation stop you. Bye again for now.